Hello. I'm Philip Yogi. I'd like to introduce the contents of a Korean book in English related to the title. It seems that there are many people who want to learn coding these days in Korea. So, I thought about whether there is a way to learn coding quickly and in a fun way. I also thought about whether it would be possible for office workers to build their own software or deliverables needed by the company with DIY. Now, we would like to share our experiences with you. The purpose of learning coding can be many, but most will be to create software or its deliverables that companies need. Of course, some of these software will also include games. Here, I would like to focus on small and medium-sized enterprises that are engaged in manufacturing. It is difficult for coding beginners to build the software needed by the company by themselves in 1 month, with common sense. But if you've ever installed a Windows operating system on your computer, it's not that difficult. Because there are tools and packages that make it possible and easy to create the software or deliverables your business needs. For example, a CMS for creating a homepage or bulletin board. CMS is a contents management system, and the commonly known XE, that is, the Zero board of the past, is an example in Korea. If you use this, you can build a website quickly and easily through CMS instead of creating a website through coding by yourself. Moreover, since it is open source, you can use it for free. After building the website you want first, you can modify it to suit your details more through coding. As such, it can be built on its own through various open sources to meet the various outputs required by the company. Business software or deliverables required by companies, especially manufacturing companies, will be explained separately later, but for example such as corporate website, statistical process control software, knowledge management systems, project management software, and real-time data collection of processes or equipment, with including database and input and output screens for production management, quality control, and facility management. Of course, these software must be usable in the web-based environment. It must be processed and shared in real time, anytime, anywhere. Of course, security is fundamental. In recent years, smart factory has emerged as a buzzword in manufacturing companies. One of the foundations of smart factories, big data, autonomous driving, and artificial intelligence is real-time automatic data collection. Instead of a human inputting data one by one, it is automatically entered through a sensor.